Good morning everyone. This is Sikandar Chauhan and I am here to show you a project that I have made at the instance of Amit Shukla sir. So let's see how it looks like. So here I am going to include header file and here I am going to make main method and here is the class that I am making and the object name is Tic and with the help of that I am calling panel function a method. And in the public section, I am going to make a method named channel. Let's design the board. Before moving forwards, let's create an array, single dimensional array. After making, let's run it and see the output. Oh, so sorry friends, something went wrong. Let's modify something in it. And let's run it again. And you can see the output. Moving forward, here I am going to declare some variable and here I am going to create while loop. Here I am going to create a while loop that will run unless or until our status will become -1. And here I am going to take an input by the user and on the basis of that will perform the operation. And here if our input will be less than 1 and input will be greater than 9, then it will give a message that it is invalid. And in contrast, the value will be stored in both. And again, we will call method named panel. And here I am going to create one other method named check panel. And here I am going to create a method named check panel. With the help of that, we will analyze which user or which player win the match. After this, let's declare a variable named count and stored in it 0. And here is the for loop. With the help of that, we will analyze match is draw or not. And whatever value that function, that method will return, that will be stored in check variable, and we will see which player win the match. And here I am going to take some matches. And here let's increment a variable named player by 1. After that, let's see the output and let's see how it works. And here I am going to enter any number for player 1, and I will also enter number for player 2. And in this way, we will analyze which player win the match. See the output. Here is the message: player 1 won the match, and congratulations for the player 1. And here is the code, the whole code. Thank you for watching this video.